the common stair, for the Schweiler Christ is calling thee. O woman of the snowy side, many a lover hath lain with thee, yet left thee sad at the morning tide. But thy lover Christ shall comfort thee. O woman with the wild thing's heart, all sin hath set a snare for thee. In the forest ways for strength thou art, but the hunter Christ shall pity thee. O woman, spendthrift of thyself, spendthrift of all the love in thee, sold unto sin for little pelf, the Captain Christ shall ransom thee. O woman, that no lover's kiss, though many a kiss was given thee, could slake thy love. Is it not for this the hero Christ shall die for thee? O woman of the snowy side, many a lover hath lain with thee, yet left thee sad at the morning tide. But thy lover Christ shall comfort thee, but the hunter Christ shall pity thee, but the hunter Christ shall pity thee.